Jamaica,
then hear ya.
thing that the police in Old Harbour does effectively is to shut down birthday parties and set up. And I don't believe that is what the police was assigned to do in that area. The leadership in that area, we need to look at them to see whether or not they are being effective, whether they are offering proper leadership to the rank and file out in Old Harbour, which they are not doing. So they need to look at the leadership and to see, are they leading their subordinate properly? As I said, the only effective thing they do in that area is to lock down baby parties and set up. I've been to 2 set-up recently, and police arrive at 10:15 to lock down set-up. And I made it clear that the set-up now locked down. They have to lock me up first. They have to lock me up first. But the set-up going to lock down at 10:15. Because you are there to sympathize with your colleagues, your neighbor, who have somebody passed away. You tell me at 10:30 or 10:15, all the police know, the superintendent know to lock down parties and lock down set-up. That is not what the police are supposed to be doing. They need to go out there to curb crime, to find the gangsters, and leave the parties and the set-up alone.